Good morning, student. Today my topic is the yoga and lifestyle. Today I will start the revision from chapter number 3, unit number 3 from yoga and lifestyle. Because will come the exam in 17 September. So let's start. My topic is the yoga and lifestyle. Yoga. What is yoga and कहाँ से ये शुरू हुआ और कहाँ पर आकर ये जो है चल रहा है और कहाँ पे खत्म होगा. Yoga is a very surprising fact that is the yogic traditionals year old has recently become a popular way of the life. Presently, people consider that yoga is a sufficient means to achieve a healthy as well as positive lifestyle. In fact, the power of yoga lies in its simplicity, flexibility, and diversity. As a matter of the fact, yogic help in the improving our flexibility, lower our stress level, and increase our confidence, and finally contribute to a healthier lifestyle on the whole. There are various lifestyle diseases like obesity, diabetes, asthma, hypertension, back pain, migraine, depressions, anxiety, which can be prevented at and treated up to some extent with the help of certain yogic exercise. Meaning of yoga. The origin of the word huge. The origin of the word yoga is from Sanskrit word yuj, which means to join. According to Patanjali, the meaning of the word yuj is to stabilize the mind after the union of Astama, Atma and Paramatma. In simple word, yoga is a way to join God, merger of the soil with God and experience of oneness with Him. Swami Digambarji, yoga is a union of Atma and Paramatma. Satyapal, Maharshi Satyapal, yoga is derived from Sanskrit word yuj, which means the union of soul with God. Gita describes yoga as awareness of temper. Shankaracharya say yoga is a withdraw sense organs from the worldly object and their contents, their controls. Practically speaking, yoga is a life science which deal with the health of body and harmony of mind. The main purpose of yoga is a provided sound body with tension free and sound mind. The ultimate aim of the yoga is self identification and self perfection, which come through self participations and self realizations. So we can say yoga is a way of the life, a mean to enjoy complete happiness, healthy and peaceful living. Union of Atma with the Paramatma is a possible by the participations, purifications of the mind and the body and mind. According to Ashtanga Yoga of the Patanjali, yoga considered of the 8 stage of achieve the union of Atma and Paramatma. Maharishi Patanjali said, योग चित्त वृत्ति निरोधः, योग के माध्यम से चित्त की वृत्तियों का उपचार होना, निरोध होना ही योगा है। इस बारे में महर्षि पतंजलि ने कई सूत्रों का उदाहरण दिया। उन्होंने पद नंबर 56 में ये कहा कि योग के बिना हमारा शरीर, हमारी आत्मा, ये सब कुछ जो है उससे परे है और आत्मा ही परमात्मा का मिलन योग होता है। Asana as preventive measures. Asana is the third step of yoga in Ashtanga Yoga. After Yam and Niyama, asana are slow stretching activity in which holding a body positive brings stability of the body and pose to mind. According to the Patanjali, asana measures sthira sukha asanama, that the position which is the complete comfortable and steady in Brahmanisada, to sit in the comfortable position or postures for the everlasting period is called asana. Asana is that state of body in which the body may be positioned easily. As a matter of the fact, the active ability to sit comfortable for a extended period of time in any posture is called asana. There are 3 types of asana: cultural asana, meditative and relaxative asana, and therapeutical asana. Therapeutic asana, first the cultural asana for body fitness. Number 2, meditative and the relaxative asana for improving mental activities. Number 3, therapeutical asana for curing various health problems. These asanas are preferred in standing, sitting, and laying, paralyne and supine positions, or inverted postures. The warming up in yoga is performed with Surya Namaskar. These are slow stretchings activities in which heart rate, breathing rate, and body temperature remain normal. The effect of the asana are internally felt and not observable. It improves physical and mental ability to a great extent, in increase the concentrations and control our behavior. To slow the positive effect of asana is a long process, whereas the results are permanent. It also cures various disease and chronic health problems. Thus, it is the therapeutic effect. It improves physical and fitness along with the good health to a great extent. Asana should be performed in the duration of 30 seconds to 2 minutes. The breath should be controlled while performing. It should not be performed immediately after meal. Asana as a preventive measures. Many asana have great continue preventive and therapeutic effect. These can curb and prevent many chronic health problems or disease such as number 1, ortho-related and diet-related. What is the ortho-related? Asana, it can be prevented and cure many ortho-related health and problems like kyphosis, round shoulder, lordosis, scoliosis, and knock knee, bow legs, flat foot, neck, spondylitis, etc. Number 2, diet related. As can be prevented and cure many diet related health problems like diabetes, obesity, underweight, constipations, food intolerance, gastric problem, and many more. Number 3, concentration related. Asana prevented and cure many healthy problems related with the concentrations, remove stress, remove anxiety, remove tensions, control anxiety, stability, stabilize mind and improve memories. Number 4, immunity related. Asana improve the immunity to a great extent. The prevent cold, cough, virus, infections, corona-like disease, communicable disease, asthma, and many more. And related for the swas per swas, lungs, blockage lungs, aloe veras, and some type of the disease related to the chest and breathing out and breathing in. Number 3. Number 5, cardio related. Asana prevent and cure many cardio related problems like heart attack, coronary arteries disease, congestive heart failure, varied blood pressures, high and low, abdominal heartbeat, abnormal heartbeat, and arrest heart attack, like that the cardio related disease. And number 6, neuromuscular related. Asana prevent and cure many neuromuscular health problems like a paralysis, sciatica, pancreas, secresis, weak muscles, cramp, and etc. Improve various sense organ and improve eyesight, smell and power, touch sense, etc. Number 7, remove body waste. Asana remove the body waste efficiently. This prevent and cure many health problems. It improves excretory system of the body. Thus, health is the improvement. 8, improves body systems. Asana improve the whole body systems and they work very efficiently and good controls coordinations. Thus, the whole body work efficiently and effectively. Number next, benefit of asana for prevention of disease. Number 1, bone and joint become strong. As a result of the performing asana regularly, the bones cartilage and ligament become strong. Along with this, the height of children enhanced. The joints are able to bear more pressures. Postural deformities can also be prevented and corrected. Arthritis is also cured by performing asana. Due to spinal injuries, problem like back pain, sciatica and cervical pain develop of performing asana. These problems are greatly controlled. Number 2, muscles become strong. Muscles become strong by performing asana regularly. Muscles of the body become strong. The efficiency and the muscular muscles increase. Fat does not accumulate in the body. Number 3, circulations of blood become normal. Circulation of the blood become normal as a result of the practicing asana regularly. The stroke volume as well as cardiac output increase, become cardiac muscles start working more strongly and efficiently. Blood circulation is the improved and blood pressures normal and stabilize. The level of the blood cholesterol reduce by performing asana. The lactic acid and acid phosphate are exercised from muscles quickly and easily, which reduce fatigue. Number 4, respiratory organs become efficient. By doing asana regularly, the respiratory organs become efficient. The vital air capacity increase up to 6,000 cc. The size of the lungs and chest also enhance as a result of doing asana. The will power becomes strong and various diseases such as the cough, asthma and cancer of the trachea can be prevented. The related to the chest disease for respiratory organs, deep inhale, deep exhale and breathing out, breathing in. So related to this disease. Number 5, efficiency of digestive system increase. Efficiency of digestive system increase by performing asana regularly. All the organs of the digestive system of our body being to work efficiently. The absorptions of food, absorbs of the food become efficient. The strong of bile in the gallbladder and concentrated from the enhanced. Appetites increase. Stomach and intestines are also strength. Constipations, indications and the gas trouble in and reduce. Gas troubles and reduced. Number 6, nervous system strength. As a result of the regular practice of asana, our nervous system strength, the working efficiency of synapse enhance, the neuromuscular coordinations increase, activity of our body will be done expending less energy. The secretions of the underlines remain good. The secretions of the underlines depend on the nervous systems. The reaction time also reduce. Mental power also improve. Memory improve and the feeling of the disappointed reduces. Regular practice of asana reduce anxiety, tension, stress, depressions, and also reduce the sleep disorder. It is reduce sleep disorders. Number 7, glandular activity is the stimulated and regulated properly. By doing asana regularly, the glandular activity is stimulated and regulated properly. Glands start producing hormones in sufficient quantities, which are collected and kept so that they may be utilized at the time of need. The demand of insulin reduce. Indeed, regular practice of the asana improve diabetes management. Asana help in the maintaining a balanced development of our bodies. Number 8, efficiency of excretory system enhanced. Regular practice of the asana enhance the efficiency of all of the excretory organs. As a result, the waste products such as the lactic acid, acid phosphate, urea, urine acid, sulfate, etc. are excreted quickly and properly, which in the term help in the delaying fatigue. The last and 9th point of the benefit of asana for prevention of disease. Immune system is the strength. By carrying out regular practice of asana, our immune system is the strength. We as a result become less prone of the various communicable diseases. In conclusions, it can be said that the regular practice of the asana helpful in the preventing various diseases, especially the ones of are related to our lifestyle. Related to the lifestyle, some disease will come in our body, like that the obesity, hypertension, diabetes, back pain, and asthma. And a 5 and 6 disease will come our body with the lifestyle. So asanas, yoga, pranayam, and exercise, with exercise preventing the disease of the 5 diseases. So the topic to related is a revision, yoga and lifestyle. So complete in today my revision, and related to the question I will give in the assignment, you will solve in your copy, and वो जो है question वो एग्जाम से भी related हो सकते हैं. So I will give the assignment in some questions for related to the revision and these topics. Okay, student. Thank you very much. Best of luck.